a pen with a cactus, a stress-relieving shirt, a llama notebook, a keychain with snacks, and the sweetest books? Learn some unusual back-to-school life hacks in our new video! Oh no! My notebook got ruined in my backpack! What a bad day! Hold on! I can still save my notebook! Hot glue a sheet of foam paper to a ruined notebook cover. Draw a circle on it. Cut white faux fur into pieces and hot glue them to the foam paper. Leave the circle free. Create a llama face on it using acrylic paint. Attach foam paper eyes, cheeks, and eyebrows to the sides. Add foam paper ears on top. Cut a bell out of glittery gold foam paper. Attach it to the llama's neck. Decorate it with a bow made out of yarn. What a lovely llama! Now I have a furry friend in my backpack, and when I want to take a nap, the llama turns into a soft pillow. Oh no! This scary word again! We are having a test, but Redhead doesn't worry about it. She has all the right answers written on her lap, and now she can cheat. How sneaky! This is the most helpful tattoo for school. It helps Redhead get an A+. But Megan didn't get as lucky. Next time, I will write all the answers on my lap, too. Mr. Cosine looks all serious, and everyone is assuming that he's teaching, but he is actually busy with something more interesting. Mark the size of an iPad on thick cardboard. Score the line using a knife, and bend the cardboard to make a cover. Color it with acrylic paint. Attach a printed textbook cover. Hot glue elastic ribbon inside so you can hold the tablet. I wonder what's in our teacher's textbook. Mr. Cosine picked a good disguise. It's very hard to discipline everyone and play a game at the same time. The pages in Redhead's notebook keep creasing. I can't take notes. But Mr. Cosine is coming to the rescue. He has a cute corner bookmark. Score two sides on a cardboard square using a utility knife, and fold them up. Glue them to a cardboard triangle. Outline a cute cat face on the corner. Color it with acrylic paint, and add cardboard ears. Put the bookmark onto the corner of a page. Who would have guessed that Mr. Cosine is so caring? This is so kind of him, and the bookmark turns out to be really useful. Redhead really likes the new teacher. Mr. Cosine deserves a little sweet gift. This is a delicious library. Melt colored chocolate glaze. Outline squares on parchment paper and apply the colored glaze onto them. Let it freeze. Sprinkle a board with cornstarch and roll out some fondant. Cut out squares to fit the hardened glaze. Shape a book block. Attach the glaze squares to both sides as a book cover. Use melted glaze. Coat the details with food coloring and cover with edible pearl dust. What is this sweet volume? Mmm, how tasty! Redhead loves it! The way to a man's heart is through his stomach. My hand hurts from taking notes, and this pen chafed my fingers, but it'll be easy to fix. Wrap the top part of a pen in light clay. Then make customized hollows to fit your fingers. Now this is the perfect pen for Redhead's fingers. Write comfortably with no more pain. Mr. Cosine got so carried away with checking the students' work that he didn't even look where he's going. Oops! It looks like it was my new marker. What a shame. It's too soon to say goodbye to your marker. Cut a broken marker. Stick the wadding into an empty lipstick tube. Redhead, your marker is ready. Do you think it's lipstick? Surprise! Now you have a very unique marker. Just don't drop it. Our teacher is having a bad day. The pencils are plotting against him. His coffee escaped the desk, and even his chalk turned out to be a traitor. Why me? The teacher's heart can't take it anymore. He grabs his shirt? Hold on. This is a stress-relieving trick. He has bubble wrap inside his shirt. What is Mr. Cosine popping? Oh, I see now. Everyone relieves their stress in different ways. Megan is hungry. I want to eat something tasty. It's great that she has a candy stash in her fluffy keychain. Cut 2 identical oval pieces with 1 straight edge out of faux fur. Hot glue a zipper and fasten the pieces together. Cut out paper templates of paws and ears. Cut pieces out of black faux fur along the templates. Make a head out of white fur. Sew 2 pieces of fur to make paws. Sew them to the body with a zipper. Fasten the head on top and add ears to it. Hot glue dark eye bases. Paint eyes on foam paper and attach them to the base. Add a foam paper mouth at the bottom. Sew a keychain ring to the head. Put candy inside. Candies are hidden inside this soft panda. And when Mr. Cosine suspects something, Megan can quickly pull out a marker. There are no candies here. This cute fluffy keychain has school supplies inside. Megan is late again, and the teacher is angry. Megan has a special My bottle to help wake her up. But there's no smoothie inside. It holds something that every girl really needs in the morning: makeup. Color an old My bottle with acrylic paint. Make it look like it's full. Define the label with paint. Create a smoothie texture. Put in makeup. Coat the bottle with acrylic polish. This is a makeup drink. We have everything we need in here. Mascara for me and lipstick for Redhead. Just be subtle so the teacher doesn't notice. My lips are chapped from all this knowledge. Here's a cute eraser lip balm. Cut an eraser to be the same size as some lip balm. Hot glue the lip balm to the eraser. Wrap it in light yellow clay. Roll out light pink clay into a thin layer. Cut out wavy edges and decorate the lip balm. Make a Shopkins face out of light clay and attach it on top. Cut it along the cap. The teacher is not happy. Do you have makeup in class again? No way, sir. This is just an eraser. It's not against the rules. This is a great disguise for a lip balm. Is your pencil broken? At the worst possible moment? But I know how to decorate half a pencil. Cut a broken pencil and hot glue an empty glitter container to it. Roll up colorful Post-it notes and put them into the container. Color the cap of the container with a paint marker to be the same color as the pencil. Hot glue a pineapple-shaped eraser to the top. My pencil got even better after being broken. There are sticky notes hidden inside, and I can write reminders on them. How useful! Redhead always puts pencils in her mouth. Ew! That's gross and unsanitary. My classmate is acting like a mouse. I need to help my friend give up her terrible habit. Color a pen with green acrylic paint. Shape polymer clay into a small flower pot. Cut a flower out of clay. Make a yellow center and decorate the pot with it. Bake it following the package instructions. Attach the pot to the pen cap. Put in some soil and plant a mini cactus. Here, try my fresh cactus!
Ouch!
Did you like our back-to-school hacks? Then comment below which one of them you'd use. Will you make a soft candy holder for your backpack, turn a ruined notebook into a llama, or maybe write test answers on your lap? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new life hacks from Troom.